morning to ever-conscious Nigerian people worldwide. I remain my humble self, Comrade Stanley Usazel Sakwino Woody. Believe you me, this morning, I just want to be laconic and direct to the point, and I want us to understand something. In fact, this video is not going to be long. I'm going to itemize three things. One, the secret behind success. Two, the current development as far as the video I posted about a man who collapsed, who a building of mountain of fire collapsed upon. And thirdly, is our work so far CFO. But what I want to say publicly is that success. A motivational speaker will tell you, when you do this one, you do this one, you do this one. That's the so and so book, How to Get Rich. No. No. One thing is for you to be intelligent. The other thing is for you to be determined. And above all, just wish other well. Which other people well. Which other people well finish is the secret behind success. Now, how is it the secret? Let's take an example. We have two types of jealousy. We have proper jealousy and improper jealousy. Proper jealousy is very good. Proper jealousy. Let's take an example. A friend of mine is doing something, and that thing where my friend they do, inside my mind, I know say the thing makes sense. It correct. I am supposed to walk, meet that my friend, say, Bros, hello. You know how my condition be. Bros, I know tell you like this is your thing what you do. Teach me. I beg. It makes sense. I dey believe this is your thing what you do. It's too clear. I want to be part of them. Once the person teach you, you go and develop yourself. Aluma. You go and develop yourself. Then you can even be a professor or a champion in that regard. That's proper jealousy. Before you go approach the person, you must say, "Aye, man. Oh, but this thing where Jumbo they do so, this thing too makes sense. So this thing where Jumbo they do so, this thing too makes sense. Aye, the me Jumbo, I want to be like Jumbo for this thing." Then you now walk to Jumbo to go and learn what you don't know. That's proper jealousy. Why improper jealousy now? You know say that thing makes sense. You love that thing. But you say, oh God, not be this one, be the really one. It will say you tell me before you go buy this thing. I will tell you something you not buy. Go see the one will be the real one. One of my friends buy the real one. This one, not correct. Oh God, who am we go for? And your mind, your love for that thing is too high. You are wishing to be in charge of that thing. But because of improper jealousy, you not fit talk and say, nah, this thing, as in, this thing makes sense and I want to learn. That kind of situation, you will never grow. You will never grow. The reason why you never grow be say, one, instead of you to begin to think on how you go to develop yourself to grow, you are busy looking for a way to pull somebody that is growing down. You cannot pull anybody down, that's the truth. Except if the person gives you opportunity to pull him down or he or she down. While you are supposed to be fighting to develop yourself, you are busy working towards bringing somebody down. And the person you want to bring down is walking forward. That person not go stop. In they move, you the hustle to bring them down, and in the fight they go. At the end of the day, the person got busy to the record result. Like me, for example, if somebody not they pursue me, if somebody not they jealous me, if they ask me to grow, but if somebody they pursue me, I go put all effort to make sure say I not fall for that person mad. And it's one of the brain behind growth. That is why I love opposition than friendship. I love opposition than friendship. The Benin parable say, a brother na gbokbobona unwanegbe. Brother where everybody here they say, you too correct, you too correct, you too correct. Go and check. You pray because wahala will come later. Wahala will come later. That is the issue. So the brain behind success is this now. But every human being gets improper and proper jealousy in their mind. They never get proper jealousy, they get improper. Every human being. That is where the principle of self-control comes into play. Now, like me, for me to envy somebody to the extent of say, I can say, hey, let's stop him. I would be the first to pick up my phone to say, bros, that's the way you do so you two get level. I believe you, I swear. As I hail you finish, my brother, eh? As far as I like that thing what you do, all hands will be on deck. Because to me, in my dictionary, no impossibility and no limitation. No impossibility and no limitation in my dictionary. I believe that there is nothing where I no go fit do. Except say I not put effort. As far as say human being do that thing, me self go try my possible best to do it. But why they try to do it, I not go tell say the way that person do not be the real one. Say my own I be the real one. No. And one of my problem is, although it's very good, is I ask question a lot. I know they see something, make a throw away face. I must ask question. Hello, my brother Alpha. Why this thing be like this? I continue to learn on a daily basis. That is why, even when I was in school, my fellow students they watch me now in class. I'm not sure say again any question where they answer for class in exams. When they say 6 to answer 4, he say me not go know the 6. I never sure. Not be saying I brag. For those who watch where they watch me now, many of my students who did the same class they watch me. If you bring 6 questions, they say answer 4. I will know the 6. Now I want to answer the best 4. But say you say attempt, I will give you answer for the 6. Our own, our exams last time, not to be A, this, B, this, no. You are going to stray. You are going to explain. You know, if they don't ask you now, say, as a town planner, they'll say, what is town planning? You say, town planning is the art of planning a town. You go submit. You will fail, even if you say that definition was correct. It's correct, sorry. You are going to cite, like you say, according to Lewis Kibu, who is the founding father of town planning. You say it is the art and science of ordering the use of land and its characters for siting of building and communication route so as to secure the maximum practicable degree of economic convenience and beauty. Beyond that, you should be able to distinguish between the two technical terminology. Town and planning. What is a town? What is planning in itself? You bring it, before you calibrate, you bring it together, then you come out with a smooth answer. Then beyond that, you astray. At least, you are to define the meaning of just town planning with two answer booklets. That at the end of the day, when you write, you go say, I need an extra script. You use a fit tie and wear Adam. When lecturer go see him, he no get easy to say no, give this man A. He go say your liver. Even if he hates you. When they go meet lecturers that time for school, they collect money for afternoon food. Say, sir, we are hungry, give me money, I won't go eat. Because then for school, I joined one of the most poorest students for money. If I not get a house for school then, apart from my HND days, all through my OND days, now people, if I come out here, I'll sleep for here. If I come, no housing, because I was not able to afford the house. A rent apartment, they don't say, now me rent here by stay. Apart from my pre-ND, then. So some of us, you get overcome. We know what overcome. So we try as much as possible Make we make sure say even when envy tries to come in, use self-control. Let yourself wipe it away, because envy is a limitation. Envy is a limitation. The same way envy prevents success. Now some man will sleep with another man's wife, go still prevent himself from success. Success is a key. It there with you will be the human being. Where the thing they affect, you hold the key. If you don't want to be successful, which other people down, you will never grow. Even if you grow, your growth will be temporary. If you find a way to pull other people down, you can never be satisfied with yourself. And that would be the beginning of your deterioration. Self-inflicted injury. Because you will never be satisfied with what you have. You now the target another person. Say, now don't misconstrue this statement. You get what they call role model in a society. You copy them. Ensure say when you adopt role modelship, not be on the basis of envy, now on the basis of, oh, I love the activism of Gani Fawehinmi, I really need to be like him. That one is role model, a reference point. But Gani Fawehinmi, when he was there, he fuck up. He dey fail. Mona not like Gani Fawehinmi. Instead of you to now build to grow beyond Gani Fawehinmi, you are bringing down Gani Fawehinmi with all your time and effort, whereas other people grow. At the end of the day, you can't surprise say you are going to say, hey, no, nobody cuss him. Now you cuss him to yourself. Above all, jealousy is evil. It will not limit the person you are envious against. It will limit you that is envious of somebody. Ask 90% or 100% of everybody who don't do things, women and know each other. I am always the first to acknowledge. Say, bros, that's what you do. Me never do one before. If I tell you say I never do one before, not me say me not go do the way past that one. But very firstly, I must recognize, say, that man have done tremendously well. Not to say, hi, turn out something, hi. That your high now, it will reduce your growth yourself. May God not allow us create self-inflicted destruction our personality in Jesus' name. Secondly, pride. Pride na heavy destruction. Pride na heavy destruction. Pride. Run for pride. Now let me give an example. By the power of God Almighty, if you bring yourself down, anything where you come out for your side, go be on you know. Now you go to give to people, don't say, it did like this. It did like this. Because you know the display. You know the display. That thing, go to people say, so we know, oh God, now so this man be shit. So this guy did like, hey, yeah. But when you do like this, if you display, if anything come up from the side, they'll say, as he cut but join body rich, now so he rich. Down at one. Then two, let's take an example. You might be looking at Osakwano Kwodi, you say, he get money, he not get money. That one are your perception. But God forbid bad thing. If something happened to some of us tomorrow, God forbid, of which we not pray to be like that. If something happened to some of us, our enemy, not we, You can't laugh at us. You cannot say, mommy, not say it can't be. You not get, because I did not tell you before, say, I get. I did not prove to you in the past that I have anything. So you cannot laugh at me. I have never come out to say, do you know me? I get 50 Rolls Royce. Now maybe this one. Why are you sold like this? You know even the hungry won't kill you. I've never said that to anybody. How on earth will you not laugh at me? If peradventure, you see say I can't go meet somebody say, my brother, everywhere I do, I bet you had me, family, small team, my body for now. You can't laugh at me because I have never proven to you right from the initial stage that I have anything. But when you prove say you get, if you fall, you'll fall past God, nobody will assist you. Because when you day, who work be not you can, who work be not you do, you beat everybody. Now me. I have spent so million. I have spent so million. Are you aware that the real people who get money, if you check boys for street self, who get money, they hardly dress. The highest thing we see for their body, some go wear knicker and pants slippers. Now who not get money, we not get work. Now you go wake up in the morning as a man. After you bath, you rub pomade, you wear clothes, you begin to say, check the mail. Because you have no job. Shit. Okay, so sorry in the network. Now not get anything. You see what we say? Because we need to see, maybe not to say we are not today. So we see arrange. You see me, we all see this. We all see dress, we all fall out. Real men we get out, they know they make noise. They know they shout. They all day simple. They activate the go. You know, no say they be odogu. They be odogu. But we not get them. We begin sing. So the point being made is very clear. The only secret to success. Please do not insult anybody on this world, please. Please. We need our society to grow. Election don't pass. Like me now, I'm a businessman. I'm doing my job. The people where they give me work, they're in a different party. They be different party. So, usaze usak we no kwodi no get enemy. I no get enemy. We don't support one support. Our government don't dey. If you attack our government, we'll follow to attack you back. It's normal. But when you attack our government logically and sense they, we by ourselves secretly our government say, sir, and when guy and attack secretly, they will work towards and even the government self. No, he no go see good idea, he go through we and no. He will work, he is welcome, all encompassing, all of those citizens. I don't want to discuss politics. So please don't insult anybody here. So that is the truth. If you raise your shoulder, do you know me? Do you know me? If you fall, if they laugh you, it just be like, two girls the area now for an example. Then they call one, Ashawo, girl, Ashawo. The area they call Ashawo because they say they follow boys. The other one they say, praise thy Lord, oh single, praise his holy name. If that way they say praise thy Lord, oh single, carry belly, it go be talk of the town. But if the one way they call Ashawo carry belly, don't say no normal. The one way they form that holy, if belly come, na street talk. Ije, akamarege Christian area waje ije, because Christiana pretended to the world that she was a saint, whereas she dey enjoy the same thing where the one way show her real self they enjoy, but her own a secret. Now her own go loud pass. That's how it be. Once you show yourself, you proud, you dey assume. When you fall pregnant. That is why me myself Osakwe Nokwodi, I dey pray on a daily basis. May God not allow me get any money or opportunity where me go see another person, I go begin misbehave. They say, who be all this one? They're not rich, I don't feel wrong with them. Or make I come and say, oh God, me, you know me. I pray may God not let me get her in Jesus' name. Now open prayer in Jesus' name. I rather remain the way I am than to come out. Come they say this man not rich, that one not rich. I not pray so. I know the principle of success. If I dey do all these things, I know they do one because of the next man. I dey protect my own self too. Because I was born and brought up by a middle class father. I know if you call him rich. When he died in 1995, I started hustling. I know get out of broke today. I know see something allowed. Like if you check Ute, Jamila, Slope, Depot for Bubai. Eh? Oh, no house this way, they were not for carry block. This my finger, now suck away when I dig now for loser. Suck away. Now for loser. My brother, be fast. Those ones are 150. Now suck away. Now for loser. So if I see the guest most more opportunity, I will not come to destroy it with my own hands. May God not let me have opportunity that will make me to see other persons. I will say, oh God, now wine and drink. I say, girl, let me get it clear. I be very local person, oh. I'll say, oh God, all this beer they scatter my throat. I drink wine. Now lie you. This one not me say I see wine, say I know the drink. But say I can say, I don't want none. Or we can say somewhere, we say, oh God, I cannot find myself in this area. No, I not get. In fact, when I have a friend that is rich, I know the lie to the two follow him. Not be say I hate him, but I like him. Except that friend get humility. Because I don't want a situation where if I dey come, somebody go to touch me, so, oh God, all day of a day, all the way they go. No. I know, or maybe you buy me something today, you buy me something tomorrow. Next tomorrow I'll come see they find you. No, I know fit. Or maybe you they drive motor, they go for a road. I can see you. And I know say they work with transport. If you carry me, you not collect money from my hand. If you they come next time I see you, I go ahead. I know enter. Because I know say you know collect. And if you not collect, you gonna make me the fee say you just say about the wait for you, you for the carry me. No. Except say that friend when we are there. And secondly, I know the land depend on anybody say when we meet somewhere, you're the best something me no bad for myself. No way. I'm not agree. But when it comes to issue of localness, I am extremely very local. I be local, but people when they work with me, my staffs, if when they drive, they go for road, maybe they go walk. Does hungry eat me? Does hungry be that's okay? Do you back? Are you stop back? Will you run it down my put? Man, give me Satana 100 naira too. Put meat 300 100 naira. Eat this one. Does he have? I would not support to someone say, now GT will support to for the chop. Now GT We supposed to be, how you look and say, see. If you be real politician where they follow grassroots, why you know as yourself say, why be say during election they'll go the back home for street by the chop corn? We know the chop corn during election. We the chop corn ordinary day for streets. We the day streets with men ordinary day. We all be local person. I know come here conform to anybody say man. We're not quarreling now. Say ask who know me. I know I be pretend, bros. I feel use ordinary singlet do live video. I feel use bedroom slippers. Tell go see local road. After saying a hustle from my area, I go move. Say you just come in and say, we not marry. I go say, any cat when this spray, man soft, man. No. I don't get that time. I go run follow the go. I don't go do one. I don't go do one. I don't go do one. So by the power of God Almighty, may we pray that prayer to yourself. If you like, you go sit down for church. Father, Jesus, Father. Oh, my success must come. Observe this little principle. Your success will come. God will never give you success when he knows say that success in you not to intimidate people. You won't get it. You won't get it. Even if you get them, not temporary. Not temporary. Because God knows say, if this person your home, people know if they breathe where they do. People, God knows people know if they breathe where you do. My dear brother, you will never get that opportunity. God will prevent you. But when God said, let me tell you, when King Solomon prayed for wisdom, God gave him the boat. Just try in you. Put your mind of hate. Love people. Forget. If you put your mind of hate and you try and let love do your mind, bros, I swear, even if you say you not be multi-millionaire, you can never beg. Now let me give a classical example. I said during this election we pass. Hello, comrade from Jan. They don't know me before, I know me their brother, I know me their sister. Oh my God, give me your account. Oh my God, give me your account. Oh my God, give me your account. If the whole world cook for you, you not go feed it, but you cannot cook for the whole world. You cannot cook for the whole world at all. You can't. But when the world cook for you, you tire. Why did they call me? Say, give me your account, give me your account. I never presented myself as, don't worry, don't worry. And I don't want to do any of the work when they still send me. Say, I can come and say, I have spent. Even when people go round me and say, come here, thank you, my brother, thank you for what you bring. I say, no. Not be me bring them. Now, those in the diaspora, now send me. And those in the diaspora, now send me. Make I come do one. I not come here to take glory. Because I want to announce those in the diaspora. No. If I take glory away, not be my own, I will prevent myself. Life is just a principle. Observe them. Observe them. Success will be knocking at your doorstep. Don't allow any motivational speaker tell you, say, go and read a book. Or I want no. See, when Jesus Christ come, he reconciled the 10 commandments into 2. 1, you must love the Most High God with your whole soul, with your whole mind, and with your whole heart. Jesus not so say, you must attend Jehovah's Witness. You must attend Seraphim. You must attend Pentecostal church or Catholic. He said, you must love the Most High God with your whole soul, with your whole heart, and with your whole mind. Secondly, the second one, he said, you must love your neighbor as yourself. There is no way Osakwe can stab himself. So I should not be thinking of stabbing another man. This is not to say me another man stab me, I be believe well. If you stab me, I will buzzer you. And not that you say I be lazy boy and say me myself, not be street. Not look me like saint. I am not a saint. In fact, I am not a good person. So not look me as saint at all. No. I only observe principles. This is not to say when a man like me now, I dey run from you. I dey run from you. I know maybe you get issue. I dey beg you. I dey run from you. You say you want to pursue me, I go kill you. I don't say I'll beat you, I say I'll kill you. I get that language clear. I know they run from man like me. But I hate trouble. And I hate unnecessary rancor. We need to be friends. But there are situations where issues there are situations where you press people to the wall, they will reverse. Now that kind of situation I tell you so. Maybe I dodge you, I don't want like me now to be sincere with you. One thing when I hate for this social media now, Osakwe Okwodi replied this one replied that. I know they do, I don't like him. I don't like him. I'll call you call the see me for social media, they say a message to, I know they do one. I want to send a message to, no. I can only send a message to the governor, to the deputy governor, to anybody contesting election, not you, a supporting. What do you consider me are you? Now you the contest. Agwe campaign. Talk your own. Make I talk my own idea. Not be war, not be enmity. Agwe campaign. In election, it is normal. We must divide. We must divide. Myself, I go run come off where you did if you be my friend. Because I will not want us to have any altercation. I will not want us to have any discussion. Because in the course of our discussion, if me and you are a friend, I will not support the same party. I fit tell you what you not like, or you fit tell me what you are not like. At the end of the day, we would have been able to sour our friendship. So because of that, day your lane, make I day my lane. After election, we must reconcile. We must reconcile. When they say politics of no bitterness, not be to sit for road say, and now this party they not come here, not near here, no. All men made equal. But during election, we must divide. Oga, hey, now we hey, everybody is from the angle, the true. Because when somebody emerges, it becomes the government of Edo State, the government of Nigeria, not the government of who supported. Not the government of who supported. I cannot tell you now, say, Michael come out now, say, I delivered a passage. I can't say it. In your mind, you will watch us. You know who and who. And how everybody take put in their effort. I cannot come out to sing myself praise. I deliver Obaseki. How will I deliver Obaseki if people not bring money? Now my money I spend. Now my money me spend. Do you want me to spend money for that election? Me if you spend my money, I can't go do C4 and survey work on. I can't spend them. Po. But mama area, as I spend money, they say I put vehicle for wards. Now what people they watch me here? Diaspora connect me say send more vehicle, go give ward 1, ward 2, ward 3, ward 4. We do one, put men first, then they do one. Now me do one with my money, no. But now my name. In my word, people there where they watch me, in my word, I they can't distribute things. I they broadly write down diaspora connect. Now my money, no. I call it Congress come. Hey, comrade Ugele Wire. It is the truth. But can this hand remove this hair from my beard now? If I want to pull it, I must bring her completely. So all hands we on deck. That they mention people name, not mean say people not there the scene we make and work. They'll say comrade Osakwe hold in day war 2. Who be Osakwe hold in now let me do the war 2. If I not get smooth relationship with war 2, they'll follow me. Can I command person like Osaze for war 2 or person like Colin Simudia for war 2? Can I command them to follow? Say, oh yeah, go and do it. No. They will do, they did with their mind. Say, when they come with the water, no, we must walk. We want to deliver the part. Now, say you want to force anybody. Who born you? Or you say, now me they control this. Nobody control anywhere. Now God get control over everybody. Yeah, my brother, greeting. The truth of the matter is that I saw a comment. Somebody say Albert Obaze said he's your godfather. My brother, as me I hear this, so I don't get time to explain or to get issue with anybody. Who be godfather? Fine. But me no say me abuse sack when not holding. I am focused and determined. I get my own lane when I follow. If there are godfather anywhere, we allow them to be. But me, I take command from myself. I take command from those that are supporting me. I ask questions a lot and I learn a lot. I'm not a monopoly of ideas. So if the better idea is coming out from somewhere, I will accept. I know say, now let me tell you. I dey do this CFO work and survey work. I dey do this CFO work and survey work. Before now, I never get this patronage as I dey get on so. If to say I don't listen to Okumbo from Australia, Stanley OJ from Belgium. Stanley OJ from Belgium. Kingsley Mene from UK now in Italy. Distinguished Senator Ije Edoba Osamiri. The Secretary to the State Government, Barrister Osaudian Oji. By this kind of time, the stomach infrastructure when I the fact for, I know Siam. Now when me know the fact for stomach infrastructure, now stomach infrastructure, I don't people want to kill me. Now let me do CFO for Nigeria. Now let me do CFO for Edo State. I mean, you know the city where I take the post work. As I talk to you, so now work at the go. Edo people they give me work. It does say, I know they listen. Me I sit down. He quit by this kind of time we have for the money say wait for give me. I for never finish. I for never finish. Bible said never you lean on your own understanding. When Stanley OJ They pressure me. Comrade, every day they worry me. He like me as a person. Comrade. See, he go come to me knowing. Hey, if they win or somebody, if the Obaseki whip or somebody, he will say knowing. If we whip by, I'll say knowing. I said, then he call me. If they worry me, comrade, I don't hate you. I like your person. Go and work with Obaseki. As he tell me, at my own house divide, my house. My wife and my mom not they support me. My own house not support me. People they tell me for us, and they say equal. I know they crew. Me when nearly there. I know they crew. Smell. Next time you just say, forget about you. You work finish, you go stay SARS. You didn't come out to continue, and you expect this government to look for you. No. Comrade, come out. Okumba the same thing. There's been many. But OJO, na fire. Now I listen to OJ. And I listen to them. All of the same people. What did they say? I won't know. Now para. I joined, but today, election don't finish. Togerians around the world want use my leguke to finish me. At the appeal, so now they give me una walk. Make una not because of my little mistake as a human being when I don't know I might have committed sin now against one or two persons. Not because of my little sin or my big sin. Whichever way you see the sin, turn your back against me. Wala wo. As I did now, since this election finished, now only once I don't go government house. Only once. This work not give me chance to go government house. If everybody get in work, then we will get chance to leave Obaseki for us. We'll get chance to leave Obaseki, make it focus. And those people told me, spiritually, say, go. You are going to get the benefits of what you are fighting for. They don't wait for governor to bless me. Governor now, from the one, everybody know her. Now you wait for anything. Except say you get ideas when you want to bring the government forward. Say because that governor can't money give you, you are going to sleep. You remain there. Your bone will come out. You know, see one error. Except you have an idea. But thank God today, Togerians around the world want use job to finish me. Don't also forget, I am into CFO, land surveying. Now who gets CFO, now I get property. I get 2 cases for grant now. When somebody get a buy land since 2017, he leave am. He not do CFO, he fence am. He not know say another person dey come somewhere. But I know say we are going to win that battle against that person. Because the documents are there and we know the area to follow. I beg you all in the name of God, not make mistake to say, oh God, the way when you all do this thing, when you supposed to move on like this, you can't go move on like this. I want to tell my friends, they give and work again. Well, on my part, I will not commit a willful sin. I will not commit a willful sin. See where I know sin and sin I will commit it, I will not commit it. But if it happened as a result of mistake, I'm your name, why if you don't know what it is, I'm your name, I get my own area. I might not know. I'm your name, if you don't know what it is, I'm your name, so please and please, If I wrong you, either directly or indirectly, forgive me my sin. Forgive me my sin. I'll not use that one to say, because let me tell you, this is our work. Now do one, do two. Do one, do two. Let me tell you, Dion Osaige have given me many jobs. In your supporters, give me job. Colin Simudia, supporters, give me job. Your supporters, give me job. You give me job. If I had issues with these people, where the job want for come? Yes, we must get hiccups. Elections. Hey, why you there? It don't pass. We must smooth ourselves. No business whatsoever in conflict with anybody. Sorry. If anybody get conflict, and not someone not get conflict, wanna fight. If you like, continue. But for me, not drag me into any conflict. I don't want to have conflict with anybody. Voice populi, voice the he. The voice of the people is the voice of God. I prefer to remain in the good book of the people than to remain in the good book of an individual. Awa. So that's that in respect to success. Now, I never forget this man's name. The man when I post a video, I actually go do survey for what do you know of that village? No. Igosage for down side. As my boys, sorry, as my staffs, boys. After I don't arrange the work, I don't follow up how it's supposed to be. Now I tell Jumbo Imade the World 5K. Semoku stroll. Because Jumbo Imade came to Benin. And I don't want to receive an award. Now Semo stroll around. I don't know if he push me. So I stroll around. So I move, I just see one man. Sit down for wheelchair. I pass really. Now one person for there, you greet Jumbo Imade 5K. Hey, what 5K? Now 5K say, hey, this man. Because 5K in a general. Now we take move, go greet the boy, half and half. On Sunday. And that place now where Benin they call Iru. Iko. Now I say sit down for the place. I call Kak. I come back say one man, the man sit down with wheelchair. I was say, Oga, what it happen to you where your leg just swell like this? Because I see the man, it be like person will be say the wage. The body know the not be saying now only leg the pain. The body else ilelua. As in, that's it. I be no one ask. May not be like say they remind and I can say no. Oga, what happen to you like this? Now the man start to explain. Say so, he go work for Mountain of Fire. See the work. Now the building collapse. Now the building collapse. He could break his spinal cord. Me na activist too. Forget say maybe because too much of us person know they get chance. And I will be activist, I be senior one for Edo State. Senior, as they call her. Senior one. Not be normal Momo activist. As that's it. So what you call up waiting for? Say they rush you to hospital. They spend about 40,000 for spinal cord, for church where the pastor get private jets. I said, no. This one is totally unacceptable. Now say, I know we'll come up for a year, go find them. But we'll completely destroy them through social media. But before then, can you say what you told me now on media? He say yes. Now so I want to record you. He say record me. Now record them. Come explain it. Think touch me. Now I use the opportunity to call on all the do worldwide. Nigerians. Say I beg. Make we assist this man. Now that the man. Because my friend did there 5K. If you want that person money, now 5K. Now it start. Now it's okay. Let me give this man 5K. Before I display. As at now, I have not seen that man since then. I don't forget his name now. In fact, if I want to collect his phone number, I go to the post where I write down to call him. He called me on Sunday. He saying that they don't send money give away. So whether I go fit identify hospital where you go. Now say to me, I go believe say UBTS go do okay, but if the money dey enough, we'll look for a way to send him to abroad for treatment. Say so, make it still keep calm. And those people will continue. Nigerians and those people will continue to do their best to see. I got to tell them because the account where the man give me, now his son, he know the fit come out. Now say, are you sure that your son will be giving you all the reports? He say yes. He to believe his son. I say okay, good. Now we take display the account. So anything related to how much the man don't get now, I am not aware. I am not aware, but I think I'm going to look for a time to pay a visit, and by the power of God, I think I will hand over him as well to some of these foundations. I will hand over him to some of these foundations. Make them see, look for a way to assist the guy through their supporter. Someone will see how we go to raise funds to push this guy, this man. Even if say na Indian will get good health system, America, but for now we never anyone make this man go undergo. Then after that, I am already consulting with some group of human rights activists and lawyers. We want to write to Martin Ofaya. We want to write to Martin Ofaya. We will write to them to draw the GO's attention to it. But if GO Luska, will drag Martin of Prayer or Martin of Fire to court, we will drag them to court. We have overwhelming evidence, and then we are going to sue them. We are going to sue them for 300 million. We are going to sue them for 300 million. But if we write to them and they listen, they act wise. And so we never reach Santina. Okay. So please, 1 minute. 1 minute. So We'll consult them and appropriate action will be taken. So now, I want to go back to work. I'll give us updates as soon as I get in touch with the man. I never see him since then. I'm not going to lie now. I'll give updates. Thank you very much. And a job with this, so I'm and a big bye for now. Mona not fair to give me a see of work and survey. I beg you, Mona not forget that one. Except so when I say I know the feedback for it. Bye for now.
Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Good day, my brothers and sisters, my mommies and my daddies. Is your sister again, your doctor, your friend, your girl, Anointed Lady TV. Please, if today is your first time of coming across my YouTube channel, please do subscribe for me. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell. So each time I upload any video or each time I'm on live on YouTube, you will be notified. Thank you very much for always being there for me. Please do subscribe for me, and as you do so, God will richly bless you and meet your heart desire. Thank you very much. I love you all.